Chip Chop.
Bono, I mean, I see them all can represent for cannabis for TV. Now watch this, now watch nothing. Let them all say Bono.
Burn up on Cannabis Selfie TV, fully live, stay tuned. Outrage, that is the Marco.
Represent. Let me see all of the people there. Level. All of the front man let me know when they were so secure now. I love myself. Even if I represent, see me up. I'm the same big country. But this is to the wedding.
Yeah, man, up on live on the stage.
Nothing of it is coming. And become the public table and the city coming. Just come like a one and rock with it. Rock it and pass up. I'm say, oh. Touch the road, baby, and the road tell me. All right, Charlie, up to the first time of the year. We touch you on our bar.
The Marco up on live on the stage.
Yeah. Oh,
this one is
all of the planets what I never pass up now. We are representing them, don't you? That is what I will about the boxer.
Selfie
And they say they take from our
The Marco
father.
live on the stage.
Ready up. Voila, level. If you come here with a real friend, go out to your boxer blank for your friend right now. Come make me tell you this. True friends are hard to find, when you find them, they cherish them. Don't it? Yeah, baby, yeah. What y'all do? Ready up. A girl them is on. Ladies. Watch the girl them. Hey, girl. What am I for mine? Something be like a dollar man. I'm in my real one. All of the girls them, they're so nice to me. All of the sexy girls them. You know what I'm doing now? Right now, they want. Quick. They must say love. One life. They must say one more. So we have to just represent. We have to represent for life, don't we? Have you love life, represent the Marco. If you love the life, Bobby, I will make that. I love my life. We should be loved by. All the good man that can't party to this. But we love me like nothing too. Come on, promise me now we don't know when tomorrow might break my head. Something I live my life. Bobby, we have been feeling life. Yeah, tell her when they come down, but we want to talk, we got stuff to say. Something I live my life. Tell them so we got. Maybe everybody has to know. Everybody gets to take it home. Love with them.
Whoa. Let's give it up for the Marco. Let's hear it. Long time to see the boss perform with some nice vibes to me here. Now, dim the lights. We're talking about the brother of Get a Humanity.